I'm wearing an Aikido gi because I practice Aikido. Aikido is a Japanese martial art, and the concept of Shu Ha Ri originates in the Japanese martial arts, and in particular with Aikido. Shu Ha Ri describes 3 stages of learning, from the beginner to the master. Shu Ha Ri is also often applied in other fields outside of the martial arts. In our case, in particular, within the Agile project management community. Let's look at the 3 stages. We'll start with Shu, usually translated as obey, follow, or protect. This stage is about learning the basics of whatever it is you're studying and following them rigorously. In the Shu stage, we stick to the teachings of our master, or the book or training course from which we've learned. This means strict adherence to rules, procedures, processes, and techniques, not only performing the techniques we've been taught, but performing them as we have been taught them. Learners tend to imitate role models, in particular the master or teacher who has inspired them and taught them. Essentially, this stage is about learning the fundamental ideas deeply and accurately so that we can apply them precisely. In the context of learning a trade or a profession like project management, we can think of this as being like an apprentice stage. Ha is usually translated as digress, detach, or break away. At this stage, practitioners have learned enough to start to form their own point of view. Now they can start to break away from a strict adherence to what they were taught and how they were taught it, and start to explore other ways of doing things. It's at this stage we start to see adaptation of existing ideas and outright innovations. Practitioners and professionals will start to seek out new ideas, new thinking, and start to question the old ways that they were originally taught. Their purpose is to develop a deeper understanding and to find their own insights and new ways of thinking about things. In the context of a trade or a profession, this is the journeyman stage. A journeyman is a skilled professional who can work on their own unsupervised and deliver excellent results based on a whole load of experience and knowledge. The journeyman can also teach others and is starting to develop their own clear point of view and mastery. For us as project managers, this is the stage where we start to become really adept at tailoring all the different frameworks and methods and tools and techniques that we've gained to the specific needs of each new project, rather than following a set of rules or procedures and applying them to every single project in a kind of cookie-cutter way. The final stage is Ri, which is usually translated as leave or separate or go beyond. The final stage represents true mastery and deep innovation. At this point, practitioners have mastered the basics so deeply and so profoundly that they can go way beyond them and even practice, as it will appear to non-experts, without technique at all. Here, practitioners embody the essence of the art in their own unique way. They will often achieve a level of mastery that goes way beyond simple technical proficiency. They become teachers and innovators, progressing the discipline and sometimes even taking it in a new direction, founding a whole new way of doing things. In the martial arts, these practitioners often practice the art without using the traditional forms, just flowing from one powerful technique to another in a seamless way. It's beautiful and it's elegant. In a trade or a profession, just like in the martial arts, we refer to masters at this stage. For us in project management, These are the people who can deliver the biggest and most complex projects, drawing upon all their experience to solve the most fiendish of problems. This is also where some project managers develop their own style or framework or methodology. Others are called upon by organisations to update existing methodologies and make them fit for purpose in the current times. So, Shu Ha Ri is a framework which represents the continuous development from a student to a master. It emphasises the importance of first learning and mastering the fundamentals before beginning to question them, challenge them, and innovate out of them. It also recognises that this continuous journey only ends when we're able to transcend the fundamentals altogether and create something fundamentally new. Please do give this video a like if you've enjoyed it or learned from it. I'll be creating loads more great project management videos for you, so please do subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of them. And I look forward to seeing you in the next one.